So I wasn't going to do this one as an example, and then I realized it was super important that I did. Because, so let's see, it says y equals x squared plus 3. So your A is going to be 1. B, there isn't one. So what's the number for there isn't one? Got it? 0. And then your C, your constant at the end, is at 3. Okay, so I want to figure out where's my vertex, so on and so forth. So I'm going to, just a quick thought, the axis of symmetry, you can always find that mathematically by doing the opposite of B over 2 times A. Well, what's the opposite of 0? Good, divided by 2 times 1. So 0 divided by 2 is still, your axis of symmetry is at x equals 0, which is nice if you want to just do this mathematically. If I want to do it graphically, let's check. Oh look, yep, my axis of symmetry is at 0. And then where's my vertex? Right here at 0, 3. Is that a maximum or a minimum? It's a minimum. So at 0, 3. That's where my vertex is, right here. Okay, so from there, hopefully you know that I just go, so 1 to the right, 1 to the left, and then I'm going to go another one to the right, another one to the left. Okay, so what happens when x is 1? X is 1, y is 4? 1, 4. Good. If that's the case, negative 1 is going to be 4. Nice. Okay. So 1, 4, and negative 1, 4. So 4, 4. Okay, now let's see, what if I put 2 in there? Did you know you can just go 2 squared is 4 plus 3 is 7. Oops. So let's check and see if that actually comes out to 7 on the graph. 3 is right here. No, where am I at? I'm actually at 2. 2, 7. Yes! And negative 2, 7. Yes! There it is. Nice. So algebraically or graphically, either one is good. Awesome. Okay, so there it is. At 7 and at 7. I never drew my axis of symmetry. Here it is, whatever your x-coordinate of the vertex is, so 0, that's where your axis of symmetry is going to be. So I also can go in and put my vertex was at 0, 3. Sorry, my colors aren't coming out right. The roots. So a root, here I'm going to draw my parabola. There we go. My roots are when it crosses the x-axis. Okay, when does it cross the x-axis? It doesn't? Ah. Well, then, how many roots do you have? None. I don't have any because it doesn't cross. So there's no real solutions for this. Which way does it open? Up. So do you see why I decided to come through this later? Hopefully you see that so it never crosses the x-axis. That means there are no roots, no real solutions. And that will happen now and again.